Yeah, shit, man. What's up with that shit now, nigga? What's up with that shit now, nigga? You talking? Huh? What's up? Oh yeah, man. Caesar. What's up there, nigga? What's up there? Let's do something. Run your mouth, come on, nigga. Shit, nigga, I'm telling you, my nigga, stop bumping your gums. Let's go ahead and do what we're gonna do. Pussy or something, my nigga. You think I'm gonna talk to nigga?
Check this out, right? Lil Jon, nigga. Yeah. Now this couple don't win platinum and shit. Don't mean we don't change, nigga. Let's go. You roll up in the club and them niggas wanna bug. When you step up to their face, what they gon' do? Shit. If you roll up in the club and them hoes are acting up. When you step up to them hoes, what they gon' do? Shit. What they gon' do? Shit. What they gon' do? Shit. What they gon' do?
Lil Jon, nigga. Bone crusher.
Y'all scared to fight, y'all don't wanna trouble. It's Bimbo Hagen, it's the Bone Crusher. Put on my side, the club, you think I'm a punk, tell a Bone Crusher. A king, I would do it like that Freddy Krueger. We talk Ruger, working like Les Luger. Told you before, nothing was straight fighting. I'll write your ear off and hit you like Mike Tyson. Only thing you hear, y'all don't wanna fight. Only thing you see, shouting no more inside. Give me the gasoline match, I will unite. Motherfucker, it's going down tonight. You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist.
This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse. This dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stop stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryan, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within, rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat.
He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth, or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time, before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
I know you're not there, and I know that you don't care. I can hardly wait to leave this place. No matter how hard I try, you're never satisfied. This is not a home, I think I'm better off alone. You always disappoint. power has done to me. I wanna know if I'll heal inside. I can't go on with the Holocaust about to happen. Seeing you laughing another time. You'll never know why your face has haunted me. My very soul is to bleed this time. Another hole in the wall of my inner defenses, leaving me breathless. The reason I know that I am stricken and can't let you go. When the heart is cold, there's no hope anymore. That I am crippled by all that you've done. Into the abyss will I run. Into the abyss will I You walk on like a woman in suffering. Won't even bother now to tell me why. You come alone and then I'm almost sing on the moment. Even me broken another time. You come on like a bloodstained hurricane. Leave me alone, let me be this time. You carry on like a holy man pushing redemption. Don't wanna mention the reason I know that I am stricken and can't let you go. When the heart is cold, there's no hope anymore. That I am crippled by all that you've done. Into the abyss will I run. Into the abyss will I run. I can't let you go. Yes, I am stricken and can't let you go. Yeah, bringing you another disturbing creation from the mind of one sick and who can't tell the difference and gets stupefied. I've been waiting my whole life for just one rock, and all I needed was just one rock. How can you say that you don't give a rock? On myself stupefied, I'm back again. All I wanted was just one rock, one tiny little innocent rock. And when I feel like I'm shit out of luck, on myself stupefied, I'm back again. Why do you like playing around with my another scope on reality? I can feel it all start slipping. I think I'm breaking down. Why do you like playing around with my neuroscope on reality? I can feel it all start slipping away. See, but I don't get it. Don't you think maybe we can put it on credit? Don't you think I can take it, jump on, I don't let it. I can stupid boy. It's all the same as ain't living it, but I don't get it. Don't you think maybe we can put it on credit? Don't you think I can take it, jump on, I don't let it. I can stupid boy. I can stupid boy. All the people in the left wing rock, and all the people in the right wing rock, and all the people in the underground rock. By myself stupefied, coming back again. All the people in the high rise rock, and all the people in the projects rock, and all the heads in the body rock. By myself stupefied, coming back again. Why do you like playing around with my neuroscope of reality? I can feel it all start slipping. I think I'm breaking down. Why do you like playing around with my neuroscope of reality? I can feel it all start slipping away. See, but I don't